Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first one involves the terracotta pumpkin trend. This is like a huge thing right now on TikTok. And if you go to like Home Goods, there's a lot of like terracotta pumpkin inspired decor as well. So this is how you would actually take like an ordinary plastic jack-o'-lantern and turn it into more of a high-end terracotta kind of look. I feel like this could be like a cool little like pumpkin fall project idea. And you have a decor piece that you can like pretty much, bring out every season. So it looks like she's just kind of sponging that color on. I'm not sure what she used to mix in to give it that like powdery substance. I'm thinking maybe baking soda, but I could be wrong. And obviously she's letting this paint just kind of sit there and dry in between coats. Oh, look at the final result. That is so cute. And she used it as a utensil holder. Oh, I absolutely love the way that this turned out. And it's always nice when you have holiday decor that's like both fun and functional. Like, this is just such a cute little like statement piece during the holidays. I love it. Jumping on this trend, let's get it started. So they're obviously at the Dollar Tree. I have used these glass cylinders for so many DIYs. They are like the best inexpensive decor. I think those are actually like $1.25 now, just FYI. And then of course I got the brushes. Baking powder, not soda. Probably because it gives it a different finish. So that's why when we watched the terracotta video, I wasn't sure if she used baking soda, baking powder, not really sure. Grab some paint. Matte black. And I forgot what they say the difference is between if you use baking soda or baking powder. I had a whole video showcasing that and I totally forgot. You guys will have to look it up. Maybe like Pinterest will probably have that info. It gives it like a different texture, I know that much for sure. So it looks like they used their decorative pieces for bathroom decor. Well, that could easily be like a toothbrush holder, a vase, many different ways. Oh, she used it. Oh, this is the kitchen. Okay, I saw the tile and thought it was the bathroom. Okay, so it's actually a utensil holder. But like I said, you could use this for multiple different things. Toothbrush holder, you can use it as a vase, a makeup brush holder, like so many different options. All right, so we have some decorative glass beads here for the next one. Oh, it looks like they're doing a molding here. Okay, so they have two sides, so they must be making a vase. And then they're adding in those glass beads or stones, whatever you want to call them. Making like a little decorative design. And then going in with what I assume is stone spray paint. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, they went with white, not stone. Very nice. That is beautiful though. And that design really just kind of added some nice texture to the vase overall. So cute. It's a good size as well. All right, so we got some popsicle sticks here for the last one. This is like a simple, easy peasy, beginner friendly DIY project. Taking the popsicle sticks and gluing it to the cardboard. Most of you guys probably already know that she's making a mirror. Doing a second layer, and you could spray paint these if you wanted to, or hand paint them if you wanted a different color other than the wood. I think a wood stain would look really pretty too. And then bam, the mirror goes in the center. Nice, simple mirror design. And a little bit of accent around the mirror to give it some flair. Super cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.